Hello everybody and welcome with this special video. It's not gonna be the normal video, but this is a collaboration that we are doing with a lot of beautiful people because one of our nail friends is taken away from us, Helen Evans, and we are really gonna miss her so much. So in tribute to her, I make this video especially for her. So yeah, you're gonna see me make a design. I'm not really gonna talk about it, I think, how I'm doing it. I'm only gonna try and explain why I went with this design, because yeah, it's hard to do a voiceover for this video, and I really hope you guys can understand that. Okay, don't judge me for it, please, because yeah, she really was a beautiful lady. She was everybody's friend. It's still unreal for me, you know what I mean? It's still so unreal. So yeah, to her family, I like to say I am so sorry, so sorry. My prayers are with all of you. And just know, Helen, she will always be remembered. Always. By a lot of us. And I also like to say the same to all her friends, basically. So yeah. Let me talk a little bit about the design, because otherwise I'm already crying right here. I'm so sorry, Helen. I know you were a really bubbly person. you don't want to see me cry right now. I know. You were so strong. Do you know that girl? Oh my gosh, you were so strong. I wish I was as strong as you. Just saying. You were a beautiful person. I only wish there were more persons like you in this world, because wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. You really meant a lot for me. Like every time, like when I was feeling down or something, you were always there. Like also with my videos, with all my posts on Instagram and on Facebook. Always I saw your comments. Oh my god. And now, yeah, I recently posted something on Instagram. I was looking to my response and you were not there. You were not there. And then that moment it really hits you, you know, like, oh right, okay. But yeah, let me just talk a little bit about the design. I'm gonna try and do my best to be not a crybaby. I'm sorry, I'm basically crying and laughing at the same time. It's crazy. I can still not understand it. I can still not hit it. But I think a lot of you are in the same situation like me right now. So yeah, let me talk about the design that I choose for Helen. So let me just say first, I really had a hard time to come up with the design for this set, because yeah, if you know Helen, then you know that she loved everything, you know, like she loved designers, she loved designs with animals, with cats. My dragon set, wow, she was adoring that dragon, my 3D dragon. She was so in love with it. And then, yeah guys, I gonna sing it for Helen, and I hope you're gonna sing it with me, because I know you know the words. Remember my wedding part 2 video? So yeah, I hope you all gonna sing it with me for Helen right now. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Dicks and sperms. Dicks and sperms. Say what? Say dicks. Say what? Say sperms. Oh my god. She loved that video so freaking much. She even asked me like to do another video with my little friends. That's how I call them now. Yeah, so we were talking. Just let me tell you this little part, okay? Because yeah, but after I did that set, I went on private message with her. And I talked with her what my second plan was. what I was going to do with my, let me call them realies. So I was planning to make like a dick dude, like, you know, right, when you were a child, like you draw like a little face and the dick is his nose, and then you draw the eyes and the little mouth, you know. And she was loving that idea so much. She was so looking forward to it, and I am beating myself up. I really do, because I waited too long. I'm so sorry. Let me put myself together here. So yeah, I am so angry to myself that I was stalling it to do it. Otherwise she was able to see it. I know she can still see it from the place that she still now is, but it's not the same, you know what I mean? It's not the same. I'm so sorry, girl. I really am. But I promise you, that set will come, okay? And I will do it in your name, okay? But not now. Not in this video. Not in this video, girl. But that set will come there, okay? So yeah. Like I already was saying, I really had a hard time to find a design for this set. So I was looking through my water decals, and suddenly I stopped on that one sheet with the owl, and it was like something was hitting me, you know. It was like, yes, this is it, I need to go with this owl. So I did. On the same water sheet, you also had this other big water decal that you're gonna see further up in the video. It's like a beautiful, beautiful dream catcher. But for me, if you look at it at a distance, it looks like a magical world. It's hard to see that it is a dream catcher. It's like a magical, beautiful, magical world, you know. And that's basically why I took out this dream catcher. You will see it in a minute. So I also went for butterflies because, yeah, butterflies, freedom, you know. And that's what she is right now. She is free of everything. Because, yeah, we all know that Helen did not have an easy life at all. But let me tell you, she was never complaining at all. That's not how she was. She was a bubbly person. She was so uplifting for everybody. Never let somebody down. Ever. She was just a beautiful person. So yeah, let me talk a little bit more about the owl, what it means for me. I don't know if you know it, guys, but the owl is also a really, really strong, like, spiritual animal. So if you look at the meaning for the owl is really connected with the moon. Like, you know, the moon is really, really strong in energy, positive energy. It's gonna give people strength. It's, you know, it's gonna load you up, make you stronger. And that's what Helen did with all of us, right? Like, also, if you look way, way, way back in the time, the Pawnee and the Sioux, they saw the owl as a messenger between the spiritual world and our world. And they were calling it Akisita. Beautiful, right? And also the owl is also connected with the wisdom of the soul. So yeah, that's basically why I choose this beautiful owl here. I also went with all her favorite colors, like you can see, blue, purple, pinks. Of course, I used some holographic. I'm so sad that you not really see it in the set, but it's there. And I also put like 4 little crystals on the nails. Like you can see, I'm doing it on the moment. I'm putting the words "Thanks, Helen" on the nails. Because that's basically what I want to tell you, girl. Thank you. Thank you for being part of my life, okay? It really meant a lot for me. And like I already told you, girl, you will be missed so, so hard, you have no idea. But in my heart, I know you are still with us. And you always gonna have a little place in our heart. I just know it. I just know it. You meant too much for a lot of us. So yeah, girl, I'm speaking directly to you now. I hope you find your rest, because you so, so deserve it. I know you do. And yeah, maybe when you have time, you can visit us in our dreams, right? So yeah, guys, I know the voiceover is all over the place. I am so sorry. I hope you can understand it. But yeah, like I already told you, it was really hard for me to do this voiceover. I was even planning to not do the complete video, to only upload the little part in the garden where you can see the complete set, because I was so not ready to do this voiceover. So please forgive me if I did something wrong or say something wrong. It's really not my intention, okay? But yeah, everything that I was saying is coming straight out of my heart, okay? So yeah, thank you, Helen, for everything you are. You still are. And no, girl, that you will be missed for sure. We're gonna miss you so hard. So yeah, I also put some light feathers with this little shot. By the way, thank you, Lisa, my girl, to making the shot outside. That's all Lisa, her work. Thank you so much, girl, to do this for your mom. I asked her to place the feather because she's an angel now, you know what I mean? So here are the words, glowing in the dark, because she is always gonna be a light in our life, you know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close the video off because my time is up. So please, guys, be kind for each other, support each other. That's what Helen would want us to do, okay? I love you all, and I hope to see you the next time. Keep these biertjes en bro, and stay happy. Bye. I love you all. Mwah.